All right, if you've been using AutoCAD for a while now, you are in exactly the right place. We're going to skip the basics today and jump straight into the good stuff, the hidden commands that really separate the experts from the absolute masters of the craft. Let's dive right in.
So, let me ask you a question, straight up. You think you know every command in AutoCAD? Really? Because I'm willing to bet there are some seriously powerful, time-saving secrets just hiding under the surface. Secrets that even seasoned pros miss out on. It's time to see what you've been missing.
Okay, I want you to picture this not just as a list of commands, but as us opening up your personal AutoCAD toolkit. We're about to add 4 brand new trays, each one packed with specialized tools designed for one thing, making you faster, smarter, and giving you way more control.
So here's what we've got lined up. First, we'll turbocharge your workflow. Then we'll get into mastering some advanced geometry. After that, we're going to unlock your drawings data. And finally, we'll wrap up with some real game-changing pro secrets. Let's get into it.
All right, let's pop open that first tray. This one is all about getting those instant efficiency gains. These are the commands that are going to make you faster, like right now.
Oh man, you know this feeling. We've all been there. You get a drawing from someone else, you import a file, and it's a mess. A total digital bird's nest of overlapping, duplicate lines. And the thought of cleaning that up manually? Ugh, it's slow, it's boring, and it's just a massive waste of time.
Well, let me introduce you to your new best friend, the overkill command. Seriously, the solution is this simple. You just select that whole messy area, type overkill, hit enter, and just watch. AutoCAD will just poof, instantly vaporize all that junk geometry. It is, no joke, one of the most satisfying clicks in the entire program.
Okay, let's do a quick fire round. These are all about building good habits. Just deleted something by mistake? Don't undo, just type oops. It brings back only the last thing you deleted. Need to place like 50 of the same block? Type multiple before you start the command. Need to reselect that complicated group of objects you just had? Just use P for previous at the select prompt. And come on, you know this one. The spacebar is your best friend for repeating the last command. None of these are flashy, but trust me, building them into your muscle memory will save you so much time.
Okay, let's slide open the second tray in our toolkit. We're leveling up now. We're moving past just simple speed boosts and getting into commands that give you some seriously sophisticated control over your geometry. This is where you really start to bend things to your will.
So think about this for a second. You need to align one object to another. What's the usual process? It's that clunky 3-step dance, right? You move it, then you rotate it, then you have to scale it. It's 3 separate commands, and half the time it's not even perfect. There's got to be a better way, doesn't there?
You bet there is. It's the align command, and it takes that whole awkward process and just makes it one smooth, beautiful operation. All you do is pick a couple of source points on the thing you're moving, and then pick the destination points where you want them to go. AutoCAD handles the move, the rotate, and the scaling all at once. It's just perfect. Precision and speed all rolled into one.
Okay, listen up, because this one is absolutely critical. This is a mistake I see people make all the time. You've got a block, and it's full of valuable data. Attributes, like in a door tag. If you use the standard explode command, poof, all that data is gone. Reset to default, and everything jumps to layer 0. It's a total nightmare. But if you use burst instead, it's a whole different story. Burst is a smart way. It breaks the block apart, but keeps every single attribute exactly as it was, on its original layer. So remember this, if it has data, you burst it. Never, ever explode it.
But what if you don't want to blow up the block at all? What if you just need, I don't know, one little line that's buried deep inside a block or an XREF? You don't want to explode the whole thing just for that. That's where Ncopy comes in. Think of it like a surgical tool. It lets you reach inside that block or XREF and pull out just the piece you need without disturbing anything else. It's clean, it's safe, and it's so much faster.
Time for our third tray, and for this one, we need a bit of a mind shift. I want you to stop thinking of your AutoCAD drawing as just a picture made of lines. Start thinking of it for what it really is, a database, a rich, structured database. And the tools in this tray, they're the keys to unlock it. And this might be one of the most powerful and, honestly, most criminally underused commands in the entire program. It's called data extraction. It's basically a wizard that walks you step by step through pulling literally any piece of information you can imagine out of your drawing. I'm talking block attributes, the length of every polyline, layer info, you name it, you can grab it. And then you can pop it right into a table in your drawing or shoot it straight out to Excel. So what does that actually mean for you? It means no more counting things by hand.
You can instantly count hundreds, even thousands of blocks, every single chair, every single window, pull out all their data, and generate a perfect, accurate schedule or bill of materials in like minutes instead of hours. It completely automates one of the most boring jobs we have to do.
And there's more in this data tray. If you're working in 3D, Mass Prop is incredible. It gives you instant engineering data like volume and center of gravity on any solid object. And, oh, this one's a lifesaver. Laytrans. For anyone who's ever gotten a file from someone with completely messed up layers, this command will automatically map all their crazy layer names to your proper standard ones. Huge time saver.
Okay, we've made it to the final tray, the top shelf. These aren't just tools to make you faster. These are the secrets that fundamentally change how you can work with AutoCAD. These are the real game changers.
Now this next one, it's so simple you won't believe it, but the implications are huge. You know how most commands pop up a dialog box, right? Like hatch? Well, try typing a hyphen right before the command name. So -hatch. Suddenly there's no dialog box. It runs the whole thing right there on the command line. Now why is that a big deal? Because anything that can run on the command line can be put into a script. That tiny little hyphen, that's your key to the world of automation.
Okay, this next command is straight up black magic. For real. Picture this. You've drawn something in paper space on your layout, but you realize, shoot, that really needs to be in model space. So you type ch space, you click the object, you click inside the viewport, and bam! It's gone from your paper and it's now perfectly placed and scaled inside your model. It works going from model to paper too. It just completely eliminates that whole scaling nightmare. It's amazing.
And that brings us to scripting, which sounds way more complicated than it is. You do not need to be a coder for this. All you do is open up a plain text file like Notepad and just type the commands you want to run, one after another, exactly as you would at the command line. Save that file with a .scr at the end, and then just drag and drop it right into your AutoCAD window. That's it. It'll run everything instantly. Imagine automating your whole new drawing setup process. It really is that simple.
So, there you have it. We've cleaned up messes with overkill, we've perfectly aligned objects with align, we've dug into our drawings data, and we've even unlocked the door to automation with scripting. Your personal AutoCAD toolkit has gotten a serious upgrade today. So the only real question left is, with all this new power at your fingertips, what are you going to build first?